Hi everyone, I'm here in beautiful Marco Island, right on the water at Dolphin Tiki Bar and Grill. It is so gorgeous out. I mean, look at the view. It's just spectacular. I'm with the DeVoe Automotive family, and we're here to help get Southwest Florida businesses rolling again, to help stimulate the economy by offering a $200 gift card to everyone who purchases a new or used car at DeVoe Automotive Group. And you can use that gift card at a local Southwest Florida business, just like this one. So let's go inside and meet the owners. This is awesome. I cannot wait to come here myself. Dolphin Tiki Bar and Grill. If you want the perfect outdoor seating, just right on the water. That's amazing. Oh my gosh, and it's so cute in here. They have Christmas lights up, and oh, it's so decorative. Hey guys, and here are the owners. Hey, how are you?
Good.
I would shake your hands, but you know, COVID, we can do the COVID bump or something like that.
Absolutely.
So, introduce yourselves.
I am Sue Kralik.
I'm Rick Kralik.
Awesome. So family owned and operated, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So how long have you guys been in business?
5 years.
5 years.
Yeah.
That's wonderful. And I think you told me that there's a little story behind how you acquired this tiki hut. How did you do that?
Well, we have a friend who had owned this tiki bar for 20 years maybe, and about 10 years ago, maybe longer, we had came up to him and said, you know what, one day we want to own this place, and when you're ready to sell, come to us and we're going to buy it from you. And it was like a kind of a bucket list thing, and we did it. We accomplished owning, you know, our dream.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
I love it. It's such like a wonderful like community, you know, that it was from your friend, and you know, keep it in the friends and family kind of thing. And
Exactly.
that's so awesome. And you know, that's what we're really trying to do with stimulating the economy by giving these gift cards through DeVoe Automotive Group, is that we're putting the money back into locally owned, locally grown Southwest Florida businesses, you know, like here on Marco Island. It just seems like a great place to come, have a nice cold drink. I heard the tacos are the best though.
Tacos are good.
The tacos are good.
Crab stack.
Yeah, that's another good
Lobster
one.
tacos. Wednesday night we do.
Wait, did you say lobster tacos?
Lobster today, Thursdays. Lobster tail tacos.
Lobster tail tacos. Did you hear that? I'm gonna be back later tonight, guys.
And it's Maine lobsters that we use.
Yeah.
And on Wednesday we do a lobster dinner. So it's, you know, 2 tails with roasted red potatoes and corn.
That
On the
sounds
cob.
delicious. And now, do you have a specialty drink? This bar looks amazing that you can just sit at, and
All of them.
all of the drinks are specialty.
Because we do a lot of frozen drinks as well. So when people come down from up north, the first thing they want is a frozen drink.
Yeah.
Because that's like a tiki bar kind of atmosphere
Feel,
drink.
right?
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah.
So now, how have you guys been affected by COVID? You know, how's the pandemic really affected business at all?
Well, what we did that Friday, as soon as we were told to shut down, we went right to takeout food,
Okay.
and we were doing takeout food. And then when we were told to open, we just opened up just with 6-foot distancing and followed all the.
Gotcha.
It was
Rules.
it was a little slow going at first, and then we were told that we could serve alcohol as well as long as we had a lid, and of course we did that. We had a lot of boaters come in, a lot of people calling up. So it kind of worked out really well for us. We were blessed with that.
And
Good,
good
good.
staff.
We had
Yeah.
great staff that hung in there, and you know, we had a skeleton crew that worked, and you know,
Made it work.
yeah, we
That's awesome.
did. And
Now, you said that the boaters can come in, so you can come in and just pull right up to the dock and come up, or
no,
how does
what
that
we-
work?
What we
The
have
end of
is
the tees.
Yep.
We have 2 tees.
Okay.
So we have both tees, so you can get probably 4 boats.
yeah, and it does specify Dolphin Tiki Bar that's where they are to park.
Okay, that's so cool. You can come and park your boat here. That is amazing.
Come in and have lunch or dinner, whatever.
Okay.
Yes, to go.
Awesome, awesome. That's so wonderful. And you know, thank you so much for letting us do this and coming into your business. We appreciate it so much.
Absolutely, thank you.
We're just really happy to.
We do have a kitchen because some people come in and say
Yeah,
they're selling food. Where's it made at?
Oh,
There is a
interesting.
kitchen.
Yeah, so this is it. This is the tiki bar. It is the most authentic tiki bar I think I've ever been to. I mean, you really feel like you're on a tropical
on an
island.
island, yes.
I mean, this is This is the spot. I
We
love
are
it.
on an island.
Yeah, we are. Well, we are on a tropical island. It doesn't just feel like it, it's true.
Yep.
But no, this is so wonderful, and we're so happy to help, stimulate the economy, get Southwest Florida moving again. DeVoe Automotive has their family-owned business too, so we understand what it means to be family-owned and
Cadillac.
operated. Did you?
Yes.
Yes, we did.
Awesome. What kind?
Escalade.
Awesome.
2020 Escalade.
All right. We love it. Well, we thank you for your business and are happy to be able to, help out your business too if we can.
Thank
Sure.
you.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, guys.